have covered all the data structures within Python, we're ready to create custom Python methods. We already used many of the built-in Python methods earlier in our exercises, but this time around, we're going to create our own method to do certain things. So first, let me create a new Python file called method practice.py and paste our code in. And this is the custom method we created, basically calculating the monthly loan payment amount using a formula we pre-built. For creating our own method in Python, we need to use the keyword define, which is def, and this method name is called loan payment. And this method can take in three variables. Three has inputs. So here, because we're calculating the loan payment, monthly loan payment, we need the loan principal amount, annual interest rate, as well as the total years of the loan. And then within this method, see, I did an indent. So Python logic goes by the indent of the code in here, and essentially what's below this defined method is the content of the custom method. And here I have the interest rate R. I have the rate divided by 12 because I'm calculating a monthly interest, assuming the loan compounds monthly, right? So, and then the total period will be the number of years times by 12. If interest rate is 0, of course, my monthly interest would simply be principal divided by the total number of periods here. But most often cases it's not 0, right? So if it's not 0, I need to calculating the principal compounded by the monthly interest rate with the total number of months divided by the interest rate compounded by the monthly interest and then minus 1. So this entire thing is the calculation, is the formula calculating the monthly interest payment, assuming the loan is compounded monthly using the monthly interest rate. So with this, when I do the actual calculation by passing the loan amount, all I need to do is, here is my monthly payment variable, and I just need to pass in the actual loan information into this method. Again, this method, when we define this, it takes in 3 inputs. So we will pass in 3 values in here. And then we can, at the end of the day, we can print it out what's the total monthly interest, what's the total monthly payment. So when I run this program, it will tell me exactly what monthly payment should be for a $250,000 loan with 4.5% interest rate, and if this loan is 30 years. So, and I can easily change the number. So, and reuse the method as well. So let's say we're going to create another interest rate, another loan, which is month 1. And here I will make it $550,000, and I will make it 5.5%, and make it like this one is 15 years of the loan. So if I run this, and you will see it will do another monthly payment calculation for me, right? And this is the beauty of the custom method, where you can essentially reuse this method you just created over and over, right? By just simply passing in different variables. So I hope you like this, and in the next few courses, we're gonna dive deeper into Python methods. Thank you.